Now in this question, they are given this determinant and we are supposed to prove that this determinant is equal to twice the value of this determinant, right? So we are not actually going to derive a small expression at the end. We have to do some transformations and see that we get this, okay? So what I am trying to do here is I'll add C1 plus C3, these two, and then subtract 2 into C3. See, when I add these two, what I get is, okay, we need not subtract 2 into C3. 1 C3 is enough. See this. So if I add C1 plus C3, what do I get is C1 plus C2. Here it is A plus B plus 2C, right? And then from that I am going to subtract C3, which means A plus B will be subtracted. Then what will be remaining? 2C will be remaining. That is why 2C, right? And if I add these two, what do I get? P plus Q plus 2R. And from that, if I subtract C3, I get I'll subtract P and Q. Then what will be remaining? 2R. And similarly, I get this 2Z. So I got it. And next, from the first row, I am going to pull out 2 as common. So 2 came out, and this is remaining. Now from the so you take the first column and subtract it from the second column. Then what do we get? So C, R and Z is there. C, R and Z, we can subtract this. So we get A, P and X. A, P and X. Now from that you can take this third column and from that you can subtract the second column. Then what will be removed? A, P and X will be removed. Then what will be remaining? B, Q and Y. B, Q and Y. Right? So finally we got this. Now observe this one and this one. There is a small change. The order, the elements are fine, but then the arrangement is not actually same. So what I'll try to do is I'll just exchange this one with this one. Okay, this one is replaced with this and this one is replaced with this, and then I'll whatever I get here I'll exchange with the next one. So I'm going to swap the interchange rows 2 times. So first time when I interchange it, it is going to be minus, and second time when I interchange it, it is going to be plus again. Therefore with two interchanges, from this I can get this. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. and these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.